Hey, what's up, everybody? Back again. Thought I'd close out the night with a follow up to see what the daily closure looks like for Bitcoin to get an idea of where we're heading into for the rest of the week. We had a very good breakout on the 21st and another good breakout today. Really surprised, but a lot of good movement. It's good. I'll make this video kind of short, straight to the point. We got Bitcoin closing up for today. Going into some resistance right here. Up into the upper 9,600s. 9,637, 9,640. Gotta load that free count. Could have it come back a little bit. Retest back here in upper 9,450. Could see some more sideways action here. Got that caution line up right there. But we look to have one massive bull flag right here. This is beautiful. A lot of money is being printed right now. Do not underestimate Bitcoin. Keep them stop losses tight. You know what you're doing. Manage your risk management. It's the best thing you could do. Okay, everything looking good right here. I still see a lot of action could be possible for these altcoins to pump, especially in the USD markets. So we're going to take a look at XRP, which still hasn't broken out compared to some of the other coins. Number 3 or number 4 in market cap. Let's take a look at that. And that will be, yeah, let's close that. Come on over here to XRP. I made a chart earlier posting about XRP could soon see 80 cents, which is very possible. Remember back in 2019? When was that? September, yeah, September of 2018. I remember that, man. I caught some of that pump. Alright, come on now. That was massive. This is on the daily chart right here. It's like out of a V shape, just exploded, man. Kaboom! You know, got a lot of good news today. Brad Garlinghouse posted on Twitter. Got a lot of people excited. Even got me excited. It's really good to see that type of institutional adoption. And you know, a lot of us seen this coming, where banks will hold custodial. What do you want to call it? I don't know. Like a server farms full of people's assets. I'm not sure all the technical details of it. Don't really follow XRP that much, but a big tidal wave of euphoria exploded over Twitter today. Couldn't help but catch it. XRP has been held down quite a bit lately. And XLM surprisingly took in the lead this time. Usually it was XRP in the lead and XLM to follow. But we are very, very close to an explosive move here. I have here in the yellow line right here at 29 cents, possible up to 33 cents. Very easily 33 cents. I like that number, 33. For those numerology people out there, you know who you are. And yeah, my first target would be 29 to 33 cents. Previously, look where we are right here, folks. Look where this green line right here. Just look at this. The green line is where we are today. We are right here. This is the daily chart. Imagine December the 8th, 2017. I remember researching XRP back then. I was debating between XLM and XRP, weighing the pros and the cons of institutional bridge currency, and more like XRP to me was more like for the banks, and most people will agree it's liquidity for the banks, and XLM is more for the unbanked people, world currency type situation where we got coin shortages and the coronavirus and dirty money. Let's call it that. But this is where we were in December 8th, 2017. A very quick explosive move, all the way up to 27 cents. And you see, this is prior resistance. This is where I'm getting my numbers from. I'm not just pulling off the top of my mask. And for the mask, it's parity. I got other masks too. I'm not going to just tell you what I'm coming with here. I'm trying to do something totally different for the cryptocurrency scene. This is something that's not been done, and out of my boredom for the last couple months, I sat and thought about, like, what would I want to see? What would draw my attention to these random videos? There's so many people, doing analysis and technical analysis and crypto reviews and price predictions. What would stand out? And this is my thing. My political, no. Make fun of me, won't. I got other stuff, other masks, other identities, but I wish to remain anonymous for my own safety and my family's safety. I will not make this channel political. This is about technical analysis and having some fun. The reason that I got these masks is kind of to have fun with, take it as you want. But that's my point of view. That's what I'm doing. But right here, my technical analysis are very serious. Right now, I'm going to make this chart very quick. Potential breakout is coming. A lot of good fundamentals. My next target is 29 to 53 cents. Pull it back up on the weekly. And you will see prior resistance at 89 cents, roughly. If Bitcoin is estimated at, well, this is the USD chart, so that is like 79, 78, 80 cents, 90 cents, close to $1. Very simple. And come back, maybe go sideways for a while. There's no telling, man. I'm just going to keep it short term right there. That's XRP. Plenty more room to grow up on the RSI, Relative Strength Index. As you can see, we're right here. This is the prior highs. This math is nasty. It's kind of hard to breathe in. I just got through drinking a Red Bull, so I'm like all hyped up right now. I'm like, holy shit, excited. Potential bull run coming, alt season, just massive money flowing into the markets right now. A lot to be excited about. I'm trying to cover this very quickly. But here in the Relative Strength Index, that last explosive move with XRP busted over $3 each. We got plenty of room to go, folks. Hold your coins. Alright, that would be XRP. Next, Monero. Right. And this was a special request from Tim. I'm this random person I started talking to in the comments in another video, and he was asking about Monero. I don't really know about the fundamentals of this asset. I did see something earlier today on Twitter. I forgot what it was. But since I don't keep up with this, other than I know it's a privacy coin, I've seen it like do massive amounts of numbers last bull season. It has potential listers like something really negative within the code or whatever have you. Let's see here. What do we got? We are on the weekly chart. As you see, the last all-time high was around, wow, 439. It goes a little bit higher in the wicks up there. But previous support, turn resistance, resistance, resistance. Broke once right here at 119. Thank you for the advertisement. It will drop. Indicator for RSI. Plenty of room to go on this RSI, man. I like to play the breakouts. I don't like to. If I was a trader trading this coin, I would wait for a breakout and a retest of this prior resistance, which would flip support. Basic trading technical analysis here. Nothing to be no fucking rocket science stuff here, you know. If a failure here, we would retest back in this channel, lower 60 to possibly 60 bucks. I don't really see this breaking out. They're printing money like crazy. Election time's coming up. Fundamentals, fundamentals. But stick to the technicals. They won't lead you wrong. There's a lot of noise on social media. A lot of false advertisements, scam people. Don't fall for it. Learn your basic indicators. Moving averages. 20-day moving average. 50-day. 200. That's really all you need. RSIs. That's all I really use, and look for my supports and resistance. Know your fundamentals. Manage your own risk. I cannot tell you what you do with your money. I am not your financial advisor, and I am not your president. I'm like so crunk right now, man. There's like so much going on, man. Let's make this video short. But anyway, there is Monero, and finish it back up with Bitcoin. I mostly use the Coinbase account. Except for the weekends, I'll look through the what market is that? Futures. I'll take a look at that, see where the gaps are. We do have a gap approaching 11,800 that still has not been tested. We had a very clean breakout that has been confirmed since the 20th. This is something to take serious, but we are heading to resistance. Show you something abstract. This is something I've been playing with right here. I'm not fine-tuned it yet. Where's it at? Right here. Anyway, I just use this. This is probably not how this tool is used. I'm not even sure. I haven't even researched this yet. Thank you for the advertisement, Mr. XLM Rocket. Right here, I look for support. Support. Resistance. Support. Get back above this. And this thing's going parabolic. And we break above this channel right here. I'm still calling for 33,000. 33,000. And let's see where it happens, man. It could still break down. There's still potential of a breakdown. Just get the slight bit of news that something's not quite right. But look at this. Bull flag. Right here, bull flag. It's like a cup and handle. Look for this pattern right here, especially the 4-hour charts. It's very easy to see. Clearly, if we was going to break down, we would have went up, down, down, like this right here. But here, we started finding support. We're going to retest. We're going for that 11,800. We're going for it. The volume still hasn't come in yet, but it's slowly coming in there. Look at the lower time frame of the daily. Very good. We're going to retest these between the 9,400 to upper 9,300. Probably has some sideway action. Giving some more time for these alts to do their thing, you know. You know, right here, 9,000. Let's bump this up. Change that to green. If I was a trade, I would look for a trade here. Go for the lower time frames. Oh yeah, look at that, look at that. Bump. Bump. Let's see. I'll pull it out real quick. Looking for some more sideways action to about July 24th. July 24th, I would be getting ready to exit my alts. I expect those alts that have been lagging behind, like XRP and a couple others that have not broken out yet significantly, will do so between the next 2 days. Expect some more explosive action in the altcoin market. I am only speculating here based upon what I am seeing in the charts. And again, I am not your financial advisor and I am not your president. And have a good day. Check me out on Twitter. I'm started all over on a new account, Mr. Money Matrix. Starting something new here. And I look forward to getting this crypto, as Crypto Kirby would say. Y'all have a good night. Have a good day.